Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit caption for posted reels. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin. So first, we want to access our Instagram app and we click on it. After that, we want to click on our profile so we can find our Reels list. So from here, either you can find all your posts from your main grid and you can choose any Reels. So the Reels will have the Reels icon, or you can simply click on the Reels tab and then you will be able to see or find all your posted Reels. So now we want to modify or update our posted reels. We can choose anyone. So I'm just going to click on this one. Now we want to simply click on the 3 points icon that we will find at the bottom corner. So here you will find the like button, comments, send, and here we have the 3 points icon so we can be able to edit and update our posted reel. So here we'll find the boost post, view insights, etc. Now we want to click on edit. So here we have the caption for our reel. Now we can simply add anything. So I'm just going to add this text. I'm going to click on done. Now we will wait for the changes to be done. As you can see, my caption has been updated successfully for my posted reel. And the same would be applied for all your reels. You will want to simply choose any reel that you have, and the same for normal posts. So if you had some normal posts that are not reels, you can do the same. So you will want to simply just click on it, and after that, you will want to click on the 3 points icon. You will want to edit, and you will have it successfully edited. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.